Hi everyone and welcome to Eforia. This video is part of my Halloween series, and today I would just like to give you some inspiration for how to paint your candle holders. But before we get started, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It really helps my small channel out a lot. Let's get started. I found these plaster candle holders at a Swedish Dollar Store. One with the shape of a pumpkin and the other one has the shape of a skull. And today I'm gonna show you how I painted these, and hopefully you'll get some inspiration for your Halloween decorations. These kits that you can buy are just perfect for when you want a fun and fast craft. They come with the paint and the brush, so you can just get started straight away. I'm starting by painting the pumpkin holder completely black on the inside. Now let's move on to the skull. Doing the same procedure with this one. Now it's time to paint the outside of the pumpkin candle holder. I'm turning this one into a classic orange pumpkin. Meanwhile we wait for the orange paint to dry, let's move on to the skull. I'm keeping the base color of the skull white and coloring in the details. now my cat decided that it's time for cuddle break. Let's add some details to the pumpkin. would make me so happy if you would want to leave a comment below to let me know what decorations you are working on for this Halloween. And now I'm just covering up some of the mess that I created. And now it's time to see these beauties in action. Thank you for watching this video with Eforia. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also make sure to check out my other videos for more DIYs, crafts and inspiration.